This is actually my favorite spot. I always come here to snack a little bit because we got some wild mint plants here, and I'm gonna use the mint as my toothpaste. Yes, toothpaste. And I want to show you a cool thing about the mint. So if you ever want to look for mint, the leg, I don't know how you call it, the leg is like a square. It's like tsk, 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 tsk. So it got 4 sides. That's how you the easiest way how you can recognize it. It's got 4 sides. They are flat. Tsk. It's like you would chew a gum. Very good. These are the little flowers, and I actually never tasted them before, but they say they're supposed to be very delicious. Oh, it's like a like a mint bomb. Ah. Now we are going to look for a toothbrush. I saw, a few videos on YouTube showing how you can brush your teeth with the willow tree. But today I want to try, no, let me explain it a different way. Willow tree doesn't grow everywhere. So what if there is no willow tree? I don't know why, but we have willow tree here everywhere. But let's pretend we don't have any. I got an oak tree. So you're supposed to take the bark off. Now you're supposed to smash the top with a rock, or you can chew it. I don't know how it's going to be with the oak tree. Oak tree is really, really hard, and this is German Bavarian oak tree, so they're probably, okay, they are really strong. I'm supposed to chew it until it looks and feels like a brush. So it's a little hard, so I'm gonna keep chewing. Okay, it's kind of look like a brush. So this is prepared. Now let's prepare my teeth for it. My favorite part of the video. Now we're gonna take our mint and Camille Rumianek. So this is my toothpaste. First I'm gonna chew a lot. So I got a little bit more of the Flina, I don't know how you call it in English. The moisture in your mouth. But it actually tastes very good. I'm gonna spit out most of the green stuff, and the rest I'm gonna brush it. Actually, I'm gonna shorten the brush a little bit. And I guess you should move up and down. Or you can actually move like this. It's better to move up and down, I think. Actually, you could, since it's mint and it's this other plant that I don't know the name in English. You can eat them, so you could actually at the end drink the whole thing, and it's good for your tummy. Man, it's very fresh in your mouth, and it smells very nice. Oak Tree Toothbrush with peppermint and Camilla toothpaste. I can really recommend it. Very fresh, really, very fresh. So as always, thanks for watching, and I see you in the next episode. Bye bye.